So here's how to import products from Aliexpress to Shopify for more profit. If you want to try out Shopify for free, click on my link in the description below. Shopify is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to easily create, manage, and grow online stores. So from here, let's check out their pricing. So once you're in the pricing page, you will get to see all the plans that they offer, starting with Basic, Shopify, Advanced, and Plus. You can also check out their monthly plans if you want. Now, click on Login on the top if you have an account. If not, then click on my link in the description. Then choose your account from here. After that, you'll be taken to the Shopify dashboard. Sometimes it may take a while to load up, so be patient and give it some time. So as you can see, we're now in the dashboard. On the left panel, you will get to see all of these options that you can utilize. Then on the bottom left, you have Settings. Let's click on Settings. This is where you can see all the settings for your Shopify account. So let's click on Apps and Sales Channels over here. After that, click on Shopify App Store right here. You will now be taken to the Shopify App Store. So once you're in the App Store, click on the search bar on the top. Then search for Aliexpress in the search bar. Click on it from the suggestions and you will get to see all the results. Here, you will get to see all the related extensions or apps. You can go through them and check them out if you want. And on the top here, you will get to see some additional options that you can use. For this video, we will not be using the Aliexpress app. Instead, we will choose DSR's Aliexpress Dropshipping right here. After that, click on Install. So once you're here on the next page, you will need to link to Aliexpress. So over here, you will get to see information like to bind Aliexpress, click on the card on the left. And if you don't have Aliexpress, click on the red dot. Over here, you will get to see this option that says Link and Authorize to Aliexpress. So click on it and then click on Login right here. You can also click on Register if you don't have an account. So after clicking on Login, you will get to see this page. Click on Access Now. Then put in your email address and password and click on Sign In. After that, you'll be redirected to the DSR's homepage. Sometimes it may take a little while, so give it some time. So once you're here, you will get to see this interface. Now, minimize this pop-up right here. After that, cancel this. So once you're here in the dashboard, click on Settings on the bottom left corner. And then, you'll be taken to this settings page. In the settings page, you will get to see Aliexpress right here. Now, scroll down and make sure to fill up all of the information. You can also choose Temu if you like. Then on the left panel, you have Sales Channel Settings. Here, on Stores Management, you can click on Add Stores right here and add your Shopify store. And as you can see, it's already connected. If not, you can add it right here. Now, let's go back and go to Home. After that, we will open up another tab and search for Chrome Web Store. Then go over to the website. So once you're in the Chrome Web Store, go over to the search bar on the top and search for DSR's Aliexpress Product Importer. Then click on it. So once you're here in the extension page, you need to click on Add to Chrome on the right. Then from this pop-up, click on Add Extension. After that, this extension will be downloaded. And once it finishes up, you will get to see it on the top right of your browser. And as you can see, the download has been completed. And you will get to see the extension on the extension section. So go over to the extension section and click on it right here. After that, you can create your DSR's account or login. So I will click on Login. As you can see, we're now redirected to the dashboard. Your DSR's extension is now connected to your account, and you can easily access it from your Extensions tab on your browser. So once you're done with this part, let's go ahead and open up a new tab, and then search for Aliexpress. Click on the first link on the results. And as you can see, we're now in the Aliexpress website. From here, Scroll through and you will get to see all of these products. Choose one that you like. I will go with this one over here. And on the bottom right here, you can see this option, Add to de-accessors. Click on it. Then, from this pop-up, you can import language. So click on Confirm. And as you can see, the item is now being imported. And once it's done, you'll be notified on the pop-up. This way, you can go over to multiple products and add it to your de-accessors using this option. This option is only available after adding the extension to your browser. So once you get this notification, click on Open Import List. After that, you'll be redirected to this page over here. Go over to Import List from the left panel. Then, you will get to see this list right here. Minimize the pop-up and you will see your product has been added. Here, you will get to see some information about the product, such as the title, pricing, and also an option to edit the product on the bottom. Click on it. Over here, you can edit the product details like the title and also all of these information on the bottom. So go through them and make all your necessary changes according to your preference. After that, let's select variants on the top. Here, you'll be able to see all the variants of this product that are available. You can see the price differences for each of these products and also the shipping cost and all of this information. You can also change the country for ship to and set your desired courier company. Then if you select Edit Options, you will get to see all of these options that you can customize. So once you're done, click on Confirm. You can also enable or disable this pricing rule option. You also have description, images, and shipping info on the top. Here, on Images, you will get to see all the images that are added for your product. Once you're done with the changes, click on Push to Store right here. From this page, click on Push to Stores on the bottom right corner. And as you can see on the status option, is now being loaded up. So give it some time to complete. You will get to see the related products appear on the bottom. You can also click on Add to Import List if you want to import these products as well. So now, the product has been imported to your store. This way, you can also add these related hot products to your store. Now, let's go over to the Shopify homepage. Then, click on Products on the left panel. And as you can see, our newly added product is being displayed right here. You will get to see all the information, such as the title, image, active status, inventory, sales channels, markets, and all of these other information. Now, all the visitors on your Shopify store will be able to see this product active on your store. And that is exactly how to import products from AliExpress to Shopify for more profit.